Hey there, lawn care enthusiasts. Today, I've got something really special to share with you. If you're tired of constantly replacing your lawn mower blades and dealing with the hassle of finding the right fit for your Husqvarna Automower or garden mower, then you need to stick around for this review. Introducing the 30 PCS Grass Trimmer Blade Lawn Mower Replacement Trimmer Cutter Piece. These blades are made of hardened stainless steel, offering extended blade life, improved performance, and reduced corrosion. Imagine never having to worry about your blades becoming dull or rusty again, but that's not all. As the mower works, the blades spin on the elongated oval, allowing both ends of the blade to cut. This means you'll be doubling your cutting area on each blade, making your lawn maintenance a breeze. And the best part? These blades are incredibly easy to install and replace with the included screwdrivers. In as little as 15 minutes, you can have a brand new set of blades ready to go. Standard mowers work with 3 blades, but this set can be changed 10 times, giving you incredible value for your money. Don't just take my word for it. This set of 30 pieces is ideal for all types of Husqvarna Automower and garden mowers, making it a versatile and essential tool for anyone with a passion for keeping their lawn pristine. And remember, the package comes with 30 PCS lawn mower blades and screwdrivers, so you'll have everything you need to get started right away. So, if you're ready to take your lawn care to the next level and say goodbye to constantly replacing your blades, then click the link in the description to get your hands on the 30 PCS Grass Trimmer Blade Lawn Mower Replacement Trimmer Cutter Piece. Trust me, you won't regret it. And remember, if you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the seller. Your satisfaction is their top priority. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and lawn care tips. Happy mowing!